Salmon fillet. Season the fish fillet with a pinch of salt. Add some cooking oil and grease the pan with it. Fry the salmon fillet. Make a simple cucumber salad with tomatoes. Combine chopped tomatoes, cucumbers, add some vinegar and mix with a pinch of salt. Roten rice, 4 times 100 grams of rice, 50 grams yellow chickpeas, halved. Soak in water. Chop the onion. Add cooking oil into the pot. Fry the onions. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste to turn the rice red. Add rice after removing the soaked water. Add water 400 milliliters. Stir the rice. Reduce heat to low. Cover with a lid. And simmer rice, without uncovering the pot, for about 10 to 15 minutes.
Enjoy it.